Welcome back to Gearstorm. Now, imagine the ultimate blend of royalty, elegance, and absolute road presence. Rolls-Royce has taken its philosophy of unmatched luxury and brought it into the world of motorhomes. Yes, today we're talking about the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a creation so unique and so opulent that once you see what it offers, you won't be able to look at any other luxury motorhome the same way again. Stay till the very end, because every single detail of this rolling palace is designed to make your jaw drop. Starting at the front, Rolls-Royce has made sure this motorhome carries the unmistakable DNA of the brand. Dominating the view is the signature Pantheon grille, standing tall and majestic, with the Spirit of Ecstasy ornament leading the way. The sleek laser headlights blend seamlessly into the polished chrome and handcrafted lines of the hood, making the entire front fascia feel like a work of art. Unlike other motorhomes that focus on practicality, this one immediately projects status, power, and timeless Rolls-Royce elegance. From the exterior side profile, it's clear that this isn't just transportation, it's architecture on wheels. The design is long, flowing, and sculpted with precision, with chrome accents running along the sides and massive 24-inch wheels designed with Rolls-Royce's floating hubcaps that always keep the logo upright. The sheer presence of this motorhome is enough to turn heads anywhere, whether parked outside a luxury resort or cruising down the highway. And the side entry door. It doesn't just open. It glides open silently with Rolls-Royce's signature powered mechanism, welcoming you into another world. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the difference between luxury and Rolls-Royce luxury. The interior is nothing short of a palace. The driver's cockpit is refined yet futuristic, wrapped in the finest leathers, rare wood veneers, and polished aluminum details. But behind the wheel, you still get that classic Rolls-Royce serenity, quiet, smooth, and commanding. This isn't a cockpit, it's a throne of control. Heading further back, the bedroom is nothing short of a royal suite. A king-size bed with handcrafted detailing, silk sheets, and a starlight headliner overhead recreates the magic of Rolls-Royce's famous ceiling found in their cars. This bedroom isn't just for sleeping, it's for experiencing the kind of comfort most hotels can't even offer. Move into the lunch area, and it feels like stepping into a private jet cabin. Plush handcrafted seating, arranged for social comfort, is wrapped in butter-soft leather with customizable embroidery. Thick lambswool carpets line the floors, while ambient lighting creates the perfect atmosphere for every occasion. Massive panoramic windows let in natural light during the day and reveal the stars at night, giving you an unmatched travel experience. The kitchen is equally breathtaking. Rolls-Royce has equipped it with hidden luxury appliances, crystal glassware, and marble countertops. Everything is seamlessly integrated so it doesn't feel like a kitchen, it feels like part of the luxury living space. Even the cabinets open and close with the soft, silent action Rolls-Royce is famous for. The bathroom is equally stunning, featuring gold-trimmed fixtures, a rainfall shower, and surfaces finished in Italian marble. It feels like a spa that just happens to be on wheels. Rolls-Royce has created a space where even the smallest details feel crafted for royalty. Now, let's talk performance, because this isn't just a mansion on wheels, it's still a Rolls-Royce. Under the hood lies a hybrid twin-turbocharged V12 engine delivering over 700 horsepower. It may be a motorhome, but it glides on the road with the silence and smoothness Rolls-Royce is famous for. Adaptive air suspension makes it feel like you're floating, while advanced technology ensures effortless driving no matter where you are. Unlike other motorhomes, the Rolls-Royce version isn't about brute force, it's about serene, commanding performance. Of course, all this luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to start at around $3 million, with bespoke customization options easily doubling that figure depending on the buyer's desires. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a vehicle, it's the ultimate statement of success, exclusivity, and timeless elegance. So that's the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. A rolling palace that proves Rolls-Royce doesn't just make cars, they create experiences. It's not about the destination, it's about living in unmatched luxury every step of the journey. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to Gearstorm, and don't forget to turn on notifications, because the next review we've got lined up will be just as insane.